Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A6s 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Press the volume power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Just press and hold it. And when the OPPO logo appears, after 2 to 3 seconds, release it. So now here select language and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available. Now simply tap on format data. So here you can see in format data we have a verification code. Here you can see please enter verification code. It is 2551. Enter it 2551. And you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. As you can see wiping, please wait. And you can see on bottom data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set OPPO A6s 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.